Hello friends, myself Swapnil and welcome to my channel Zyka Street. Friends, potato is such a versatile vegetable. We get it for all 12 months. So I thought why not make something using that? So today I am going to show you the recipe of potato biryani. Then without wasting further time, let's get started. Here I have taken 3 medium-sized potatoes and I have chopped them into 4 pieces. You can see it's not very small. Your pieces should be little big only. We need few spices also. For that I have taken 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala and half teaspoon of salt. First what we will do, we will fry our potatoes. So let's move on to the pan. Here I have taken a pan and I have added oil in that. Once oil heats up, we'll add our potatoes in this. Now we need to fry it until it is golden brown. Keep on flipping the sides. Friends, you can see that my potatoes have turned out golden brown. Now take it out and keep it on the tissue paper. Now my potatoes have cooled down well. Let's marinate it. For that, first I'll be adding curd in this, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, biryani masala and salt. Now we'll mix everything nicely. Now cover and keep it for marination for around half an hour. By the time it is marinating, let's move on to the rice. Friends, here I have taken 1 bowl of rice and soaked it for around 1 hour. We need few spices also. In that I have taken 1 bay leaf, 4-5 cloves, 4-5 black pepper, 1 star anise, 2 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick and half teaspoon of salt. Now first we will prepare our rice. For that I have taken a kadhai and I will add 3 cups of water. Add all the whole spices, bay leaf, cloves and black pepper, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon stick, salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now let's wait for a boil. Once water starts boiling, add rice and cook until it is 90% done. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes on high flame. It's been almost 7 minutes. Let's check the rice once. Just press the rice and you can see I can easily break it. That means it is 90% done. Switch off the flame and strain it. Now let's start making biryani. For that first we'll prepare biryani masala. For that I have taken 5 to 6 cloves, 8 to 10 black pepper, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 7 to 8 small cardamom, 2-3 mace and 1 cinnamon stick. First we'll grind all these whole spices. Now let's move on to the pan. So I have added oil and cinnamon stick in the pan. Now we'll add 1 chopped onion and fry until it is golden brown. Now I have roasted it for around 1 minute. I'll add 1 chopped tomato. Stir it and roast it for around 1 minute. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it once. Now cover and cook it for around 5 minutes. Friends, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check it out. Just smash the tomatoes with your spatula. It's very soft so you can do it easily. Now we'll add marinated potato in this. Stir it. Now cover and cook it for 10 minutes on slow flame. Friends, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check our potatoes. So now our potato is ready. Just switch off the flame. And let's move on to the next step. For final assembling, I have taken half bowl of milk. This is just a normal milk. I have not added anything in this. 2 tablespoons of milk for adding color. I am using orange color. If you don't have orange color, you can use yellow or even you can skip it. 1 fried onion. 1 teaspoon of biryani masala. 2 green chilies sliced. 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of clarified butter and 2 drops of kevra essence. If you don't have kevra essence, you can even skip it. First we'll add 2 pinch of food color in the milk. Just mix it. 2 drops of kevra essence. I'll add it in the milk only. Stir it once. Now let's move on to the kadhai. Here I've taken a big kadhai and I'll add half of the rice. Just spread it evenly. Now add half of the potatoes, some fried onions, coriander leaves and mint leaves, some biryani masala, 2 tablespoons of white milk, green chilies and a teaspoon of colored milk. Now again we need to repeat the layers. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Now cover and cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. So it's been 10 minutes, let's check it. Check the rice once. Stir it. And our biryani is ready, let's plate it out. Wait for a minute. As we all know, biryani is incomplete without biryani raita. So let's prepare biryani raita first. For that I have taken a bowl of curd, few vegetables like 1 chopped onion, 1 green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, 2 pinch of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of green coriander and 1 chopped carrot. Now we'll add everything in the curd. Mix it nicely and our raita is ready. You saw now, it's so easy to make this raita. Now let's serve everything. Friends, I hope you like my video. If yes, then please press a like button, share it with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe. So we'll meet soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.